Let's get to the point. Masarap ang chicken fajita roll ni Starbucks, one of their holiday menu items. Sulit talaga sa cost ang spicy food kasi busog ka na talaga sa kakainom ng service water dahil sa anghang. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. I would describe this as between mild and medium na anghang, which is perfect for me. And in fairness kay Starbucks, may chunky chicken pieces talaga sa loob na may pleasant firmness. The sauce has a subtle sweetness, and I'm glad mas angat pa rin ang spiciness. Please be aware, it's oily outside, so best pa rin gumamit ng utensils, and wag nyo akong gayahin na masyadong excited sumubo agad, kaya lagi akong napapasok. Kalma lang talaga dapat tayo. Speaking of kalma, shoutout sa team sa Starbucks Eugenio Lopez Drive in Quezon City na laging kalmado kahit nakaka-stress na sa dami ng tao. I appreciate the staff here and all the hardworking food industry workers out there. To all my fellow customers, kalma lang please and wag mainit ang ulo. Reminder lang, nagsasaya tayo habang nagtatrabaho ang iba. Click follow for the next story.